Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, and once your content is open and visible on screen, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this animation. Your screenshot will be visible right here for a brief moment, along with an option right there to share it or also capture a long version of a screenshot pressing on the scroll button. Now, it was grayed out just because you cannot really scroll down here, so this option is only available in places like settings as an example. So there we go, I'm gonna repeat it once more, and now we can capture a longer version of it. So now both of those screenshots that I've captured can be found in the photo application. So when I open it up, as you can see, there they are. You can also locate them under albums and screenshots. So there we go, there is the settings and to a normal one. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.